89% of professional investors lost to a fund that costs 3 cents per year. 3 cents. Full-time professionals' research teams still lost. Here is the fund that beat them, and here is how you can own it starting today. My name is Marcus. No products, no commissions, just the data. Subscribe and give this a thumbs up. What is an ETF? An ETF is a basket. Instead of buying one company like Apple or Microsoft, you buy a basket that holds hundreds or thousands of companies at once. One purchase, instant diversification. The most popular ETF in the world, VOO, holds 503 companies for a fee of 0.03%. That is 3 cents per year on every $100 you invest. And here is the data that changes everything. Over the last 15 years, 89% of professional fund managers, people paid full-time to pick stocks, underperformed a simple index, ETF. Not some of them, not half, 89%. You do not need to be smarter than Wall Street. You just need to own the market. That is what ETFs do. The one rule. Before the 3 ETFs, one rule. Buy and hold. That is the entire strategy. Most beginners buy an ETF and sell it the moment it drops 10%. That single decision destroys more wealth than any wrong fund choice ever could. Markets drop every year. The S&P 500 has had a negative year roughly 3 out of every 10 years historically. Every single time it recovered, the investors who held through every crash ended up with more money than the ones who sold and waited. Buy, hold, do not sell. That is the rule. The 3 ETFs, 3 funds, 3 jobs. ETF 1, VOO. The foundation. VOO tracks the S&P 500, 503 of the largest U.S. companies, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, all of them in one fund. Fee 0.03%. 5-year annualized return 15.80%. Current yield approximately 1.30%. This is the core every beginner portfolio starts here. ETF 2, SCHD. The income. SCHD yields roughly 3.4%, more than triple what VOO pays. That is $340 per year on a $10,000 investment paid quarterly. Fee 0.06%. 5-year return 12.10%. 103 holdings, quality companies with consistent dividends. SCHD is not a replacement for VOO, it is an add-on. It pays you while VOO grows your money. SCHD is up 18.3% year-to-date in 2026, outperforming many growth-tilted alternatives. ETF 3, VXUS, the world. VXUS holds over 8,000 stocks outside the U.S., Japan, Germany, India, Taiwan, the entire world that is not America. Fee 0.05%. Current yield approximately 2.33%. Nobody knows which country leads the next 30 years. Owning VXUS means you do not have to guess. How much do you need? The most common question, how much do I need to start? The answer surprises most people. $1. That is the minimum. With fractional shares, most major brokerages now let you buy a fraction of any ETF for as little as $1. But here is the real answer. Whatever you can do consistently is better than the perfect amount done inconsistently. $50 a month beats $5,000 once and nothing else. Here is what $100 a month looks like in this 3-fund portfolio at historical returns. After 10 years, roughly $23,000. After 20 years, roughly $83,000. After 30 years, roughly $243,000. From $100 a month, no lump sum, no special timing, just consistency. Where to buy? 3 platforms, all free, all beginner-friendly. Fidelity, no account minimums, fractional shares on all ETFs, 0 commissions. Schwab, same, 0 minimums, fractional shares, 0 commissions. Vanguard, best for long-term buy and hold investors, home to VOO and VXUS directly. Open an account, search the ticker, buy. That is the entire process. The bottom line. 3 ETFs, 1 rule. VOO for the US market, SCHD for income, VXUS for the world. Buy every month. Hold for decades. Do not sell when it drops. The single biggest mistake new investors make is not picking the wrong ETF, it is waiting too long to start. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. If this helped you, hit that thumbs up and tell me in the comments which of these 3 are you starting with and how old are you? Curious if that changes the answer? Subscribe for more informative video and I'll see you in the next one. Keep it simple.